So today we're going to look at a Pluck sample that I've created in Serum. It's influenced by Eminem's The Real Slim Shady. Welcome to Azzadous Studios. If this is your first time here, I hope you find something useful. Remember to like and share if you enjoy this video. Please subscribe and ring the bell to keep up to date with future videos. Okay, so this preset that I've created, it's influenced by The Real Slim Shady, but it's actually, it's not identical. It's got a similar twang to it. Got quite a little bit more bass in it. You could actually use this as a bass at the same time, which I'm doing in this little sample demo song that I've made. Got quite a lot of bass in it. So let's get on with it. We're going to start off with oscillator A. So I'm going to switch everything else off. Switch all the effects off. And before we get on with oscillator A, we're going to have a quick look at the envelope. Envelope 1, we've got quite a sharp point. It's just a attack on 0, hold on 0. The decay is on 1.04, but the default setting is 1 second. That should be fine as well. Sustain is on minus infinity. That's completely off. Release is on 5.3 milliseconds. So all I've done then is tweak this slope to give it more of a Pluck sound. So what we've got for oscillator A, we've got basic mini, which is in analog, and basic mini. Oscillator's on +1. We're not doing anything with the unison, no detune, no blend. Phase is on 46 degrees and the random is completely down. The waveturbo position is on 3, and we're using FM from B, which we'll come back to after we switch oscillator B on. The pan we've got on, it was dead center. The level is on 75%. And that's it for oscillator A. So oscillator B, we've got Mario, which is in digital, and Mario -1 octave. We are not doing anything with the detune, blend and unison. I did shift these about a bit, but that was when I was testing stuff out when I was making the sample. We're not actually using it. Okay, so phase is on 62 degrees, random is completely off. Waveturbo position is on 2. We're not using any warping for B. The pan is on 0 and the level is down on 58%. So let's go back to oscillator A and set up this FM from B warping. So that's on 42%. So from there what we're going to do is stick a sub on. And we're going for -2 octaves, and we've got it on a saw wave. Adds a bit more meat to it. Pan is on 0 and the level is on 75%. And what we're going to do is switch the filter on. We've got it on MG low 12, which is in normal MG low 12. Oscillator A, B and the sub are all going through. And this is where it's getting more of a Pluck sound. So we've got the cut off on 38 Hz. And we're modulating this with envelope 1. So you just drag that over to your cutoff, and the envelope amount is 76. You can tweak this a bit, want a bit more of a knock. I want that high end to ring out quite a bit, so we're leaving it quite high. The res we've got on 10%, the pan is 50%, the drive is on 47, the fat is on 15, and the mix is all the way up. Okay, so the effects, we've got distortion, compressor, reverb and the EQ. So with the distortion, I'm just adding a light bit of asymmetrical, which that's asim there. We're not using any filter. The drive is on 35% and the mix we've got on 41%. As you can hear, it's really subtle. It's just adding a little bit of weight to the sound, which will be a bit more predominant when we switch the compressor on. So the compressor, we've got the threshold on -26.3. The ratio is on 4:1, the attack is on 90 and the release is on 90. It was on 90. The gain is on 0. We're not using multiband for this, and the mix is all the way up. This is just tightening the sound up a bit. Quite a lot actually. So we've got a plate reverb with quite a low size, only 12%. It's just adding a little bit to the high end of the sound. Pre-delay is all the way down. The low cut is on 36 and the high cut is on 35. The amp is on 25 and it's got a width of 63%. The mix is on 26%, so we're just easing this in a little bit. And finally, what we're doing with the EQ, we're just boosting a little bit of the lows. So we've got a low shelf. The frequency is on 130 Hz. The Q is on 71% and the gain is on 6.7 dB. You can just hear that pushing the bass up a little bit. So what we're doing for the second EQ, we've got a bell curve and we're just cutting out a little bit of these mids. So we've got the frequency on 530 Hz, the Q is on 47% and the gain is on minus 6.3 dB. Okay, so thanks for watching. As usual, the resources and the preset will be available on my Facebook page. Check the description below for the link. If you enjoyed this video, please like and share, and remember to subscribe and ring the bell to keep up to date with future videos. Thanks for watching.